Hello traders, today is the 12th of March, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Wall Street analysis. Before I would like to share you my trading activity, I've managed 131 pips. As you can see, this is the breakdown of my pips in the morning. Was okay, I had only two trades in the morning, but I had faced some challenges, especially at the New York session. So as soon as I see some facing some challenges, I stop my trading so at least I can secure pips for the day. That's 131 pips. Okay, so best trade was 35 pips. That is the pound yen long trade. As you can see, this was the breakout trade again based on the analysis, and that's my profit target hit at 35 pips. And my worst trade was 30 minus 35. That's the dollar CAD short trade. This was again based on the analysis. I was expecting to open my position here a bit late though. As you can see, the volatility market was straight came down, and my order accepted at this level. And after that, you can see the price reverse. So my stop loss hit 35 pips. So that's the but I managed my last trade was like pound long, pound Swiss franc long. This is again based on the analysis. As you can see, we had it. I took this one based on the analysis pull back long, but price reverse. I close it and then I open another position, two position, which I managed to bank 20 pips in profit, and I left the other one is open, which basically hit at the break even. So this was again the short trade. As you can see, my stop loss hit, and I said now the price is reversing it because the previously price respected this resistance. And again, so very tight stop loss. I opened two positions here, and I bank one profit here, recover my losses, and I let the other one run, which eventually went down but came back. As you can see, we had a very interesting volatility. But as you can see, I had a few challenges, but I managed to came out from the market as a positive. That's all matter. Again, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis here. I just focus only few pairs because I was working with my technical team. We are doing some enhancement in the system. But if you look at we had such a beautiful volatility, and most of my traders bank very good pips. All right, guys. So that's it for me. That's 131 pips today. All right. So let's back to the analysis. Okay. Just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RD commentary. As you can see, on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We had this break analysis yesterday, and the price broken, and price nicely hit to the first target, which is euro Swiss franc. Beautiful short trade. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback short based on the momentum, but the price refused. And as I mentioned to my traders, as long as the price going to break, this is the recent high, this is another one, wedge breakout. This was the another trade we mentioned, counter long trade. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target. Pound yen, pretty straightforward again. This was the breakout trade, a long, price nicely hit to the profit target. While I was doing this analysis, and I said to my traders that be careful, we should be looking a pullback. That's the, otherwise we should be looking a breakout long opportunity. We were doing a 4-hour analysis based on that. I mentioned to my trader to take this, breakout long, beautiful long trade on pound yen. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. Again, this was the breakout, pretty straightforward, very short, long trade. Pound Swiss franc, we were doing 4-hour analysis based on that. As mentioned, that guys, we should be looking at pullback, counter long trade opportunity, as mentioned here on the analysis. And we took and banked such a good pips. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, I mentioned to bank some profit at this level. And that was my first trade, by the way. It's a bank, I think 17, 18 pips on this trade. Pound Swiss franc again, as mentioned, that as I mentioned, the price basically respected here. So as soon as price develop another pattern, then I said to guys, look for another breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken, and as soon as the price about to hit the support level, I mentioned to my traders to bank some profit at this level. And euro USD, this one again, very small long trade, counter long trade, and price nicely hit to the first target. Pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout long trade, and dollar CAD, as you can see, pretty straightforward, a beautiful breakout short trade. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. We had this long trade, bank some profit. As soon as the price develop another pattern, as you can see, as mentioned, triangle. When the price broken, I said, look, guys, we're probably going to have expecting another retest, and the price nicely retest and beautiful, and announce another one, because if you look at the price broken the previous low, and I said if the price going to break this blue fib channel, possibility of another breakout trade, and price nicely hit first and the final target. Beautiful short trade on euro yen. Again, euro yen, once the price hit to the final target, and that's what I mentioned to you guys. Look for, we were watching in 4 hour, and the price developed in 4 hour as a double bottom, and I said to you guys in Bollinger Band, and I said to look for another counter long opportunity as mentioned here. So we had another beautiful counter long opportunity. As soon as the price about to hit to the resistance, we mentioned to bank some profit on euro yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout, we had a beautiful pullback short trade. And euro USD, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout, and the pullback short trade on euro USD. Dollar Swiss franc, this was the pretty straightforward. We were expecting pullback, but we haven't seen, and price nicely respected even the support. The safest trade would be to break out of this pattern, and our more safest trade will be the pullback long trade after the breakout on dollar Swiss franc. Um, Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis this morning. The price developed this small consolidation and broken, and I said to guys, we need to confirmation if the price want to continue. As you can see, the price nicely respected red fib channel and develop a pullback exactly as mentioned on the analysis. And after that, beautiful nice short trade on Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. This was the flag pattern breakout, beautiful short trade. And pound yen, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout. Even after the breakout, price did retest. This is the confirmation. As you can see, beautiful, and price nicely hit to the resistance level, and that time we mentioned to bank some profit on pound yen. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, we had a beautiful breakout. As you can see, we had such a nice volatility, and I said to guys, bank some profit before you lose this trade. It was a beautiful long trade. And euro USD, pretty straightforward. Again, at the New York session, I explained to my traders to look for the breakout of this consolidation. As you can see, the price nicely broken and beautiful short trade on euro USD. Dollar Swiss franc, again, price develop another consolidation flag pattern, beautiful breakout long trade. And dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. As you can see, we had it another, and this is the trade I mentioned in analysis. And by the time I was pressing buy, price shoot up here, and I enter late. Otherwise, I would have made a good pips, but most of my traders made a good pips. So anyhow, so I lost this trade, but it was a good analysis, as you can see, based on that beautiful breakout short trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. As mentioned, the price developed another triangle pattern, and we see some, nice strength on dollar. As you can see, breakout, and we mentioned all these trades mentioned through live audio commentary, and bank has such a good pips all of my traders today on dollar yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward, because we will keep an eye all the patterns. As you can see, the price develop another pattern, beautiful breakout. As always, after the breakout, we're looking a pullback. As you can see, the price nicely develop another pullback after the breakout of this one, beautiful pullback, and price nicely hit to the fib channel. Pound dollar, this was the counter long trade as mentioned on the analysis, and based on that we mentioned to look for another pullback. This was the breakout, and after that we had another pullback long trade on pound dollar. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price nicely respected breakout, and after the breakout we had a pullback short trade on euro yen. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout long trade. And dollar yen, pretty straightforward again. This was the triangle pattern breakout long trade. And pound yen, pretty straightforward. This one again as a flag pattern breakout, short trade. And Aussie dollar, this was the New York session analysis. As you can see, we were expecting another pullback, and price literally pulled back here. Two and third, beautiful three short trade in Aussie dollar. And pound yen, pretty straightforward as you mentioned on the analysis. Price develop another triangle pattern. If the price going to break this wedge, we should be looking along, but the price nicely respected, and beautiful breakout short trade. Price nicely hit first and the final target. Beautiful short trade. Euro USD, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. We had a beautiful volatility, as you can see, breakout, and I mentioned to another pullback. If you look at the price nicely, develop another pullback and develop another pullback. Beautiful pullback short trades on after the breakout on Euro USD. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We had such a wonderful volatility today. I've managed 131 pips. If you would like to receive all these analysis and live ID commentary support, and if you would like to make same sort of pips every single day, and if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, most welcome to join our professional trader community at forexeasytrades.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest analysis. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time with more analysis.